Here's our room. We are officially at the Terra Luna Resort. So we just stayed at the Stella Nova, and now let's do a room tour. Now we are at the Terra Luna Resort, which is the sister resort of Stella Nova. This opened in March, so it's officially been open for a few months now. Unlike the Stella Nova, this one is more terrestrial themed, and it has warmer colors. And this bathroom has a tub. We also have an adjoining room, so it's possible that one might have a shower, and this one's a tub. And I can check that out. We've got Cosmic Ember, different colored packages. And then the sink. So very similar to Stella Nova. A hair dryer, your bar soap, some Kleenex. And then we have a fridge over here. Yeah, same kind of fridge, same setup as the Stella Nova. We have the coffee maker, cups, ice bucket, and the drawers. The pillows are purple instead of, I guess it would probably be called a coral, kind of like a pinkish coral. And then the backboard isn't space and stars, it's a planet. And the backboard is lit up. And then this is actually a pool view room. And then it has a table with a little couch. And it comes with another little pillow. It's purple. And here, this is nice. You have extra plugins for charging things. You've got your phone. Your drawers. Yeah. So 4 different drawers to put your stuff in if you like to do that. And then over here, same kind of nightstand. You have a mushroom lamp, and your remote, and a drawer. So that is the room. Here's another view from the window. Okay, we're just going to be staying here 2 nights, and then we'll be going home. And this also has that interesting half door privacy screen with this glass panel out here. So that is the room here at the Terra Luna Resort. Let's go see. We have an adjoining room. Just like the Stella Nova, there's about 65% of these rooms are adjoining. So if you have a party of more than 4, then you can easily get a room that's connected. Yep, this one does have a shower. So when you book a resort, when you book this room, it asked if I had any special requests, so you can always ask them to have a shower or a bath. But this one is shower in the opposite room. But everything else is the same.